Most people get this wrong, and end up thinking their Roblox gift card is empty when it's actually sitting in their account. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trying to check the balance in the wrong place or expecting it to show up on the wrong screen. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Roblox gift card balances don't always show as a separate card balance after redemption. Instead, they usually convert into Robux or account credit, and that's where most confusion starts. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to check your Roblox gift card balance, where it appears after redemption, and how to fix issues if your balance is missing. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the mistake Alex made that made him think his Robux never arrived. Let's start with the correct method. First, log into your Roblox account on a browser, not just the app. Go to the official Roblox website and sign in. Once you're in, click on the Robux section or gift card redemption area. This is where your balance activity is tracked. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you redeem a Roblox gift card, it doesn't always show as a visible dollar balance. Instead, it may immediately convert into Robux or credit depending on your region and account settings. So if you're looking for a gift card balance tab, you might not find it at all. But here's the problem. Many users think the card didn't work because they don't see a separate balance line. John once redeemed a $25 card and assumed it failed because nothing showed up in his wallet. But the Robux had already been added to his account history. To properly check your balance, go to your transaction history. This is the most reliable way to confirm whether your gift card was successfully applied. You'll see entries showing Robux additions or credit usage linked to the redemption. Now let's talk about common issues. If your balance doesn't appear, first make sure you are logged into the correct account. This is the #1 mistake. Alex once redeemed a card on his alternate account and thought it was lost. Another issue is entering the code incorrectly. Even a small typo can cause the system to reject the redemption. Always double-check each character before submitting. Also, sometimes there is a delay between redemption and balance update. Refresh your account page or log out and log back in to force a sync. So yes, you can check your Roblox gift card balance in 2026, but it doesn't always show in one obvious place. Instead, it's reflected through Robux, account credit, and transaction history. To wrap it up, remember this. Check your account first, review transaction history, and understand that Roblox converts most gift cards directly into usable in-game currency. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and gift card guides.